Hello, welcome to Prague. Today I'm going to show you all how I travel, and everything that I'm wearing right now, my winter jacket, my shoes, is what I need for traveling for a week or for a month or for any length of time. Let me show you how I do it. This winter jacket, first off, this winter jacket is perfect for any amount of weather really, and if it's really cold, I can put on my pullover and keep me even extra warm. So I have that. I opted for a North Face 40-liter backpack. This is good enough for me. I'm a guy. I don't need to bring a whole bunch of different things with me, a whole lot of clothes, but all the clothes that I do have, as you'll see, are really versatile. And I can use them in a lot of different situations. So the first thing is my Canon DSLR bag. So this holds my DSLR, which is currently being used to make this video right now. The next thing is I keep a little small drawstring backpack. Keep a few camera accessories in here, but I can also use it as a small day pack if I don't want to bring my big backpack out with me when I'm traveling. The next thing is my Stowaway North Face rain jacket. This is really nice because it comes down to be very compact, and I can also couple it with a heavier sweater and use it in fall weather. It works really well when I don't want to use my big winter jacket. Next is all my toiletries, everything I need right here: shampoo, contact stuff, extra contacts, toothbrush, you know, all your essentials right there. Next is my small water bottle. I opt to just bring a small plastic water bottle because of the size. I can refill it easily. And the one downside of this backpack, I love everything about it, but it doesn't have a water bottle holder on the outside. So I just use this so I can keep it on the inside very easily. Next, I have an absolute travel essential, a quick drying towel. This is great because hostels will charge you extra for towels. They're not included usually in the price of the bed. Also, another quick hack, I could use this as kind of a neck pillow too when I'm traveling on the bus. So this is super versatile, and that's kind of the theme of my bag. It's like everything that I have I can kind of use for different things. Next, I have my heavier sweater. This is what I was talking about earlier. I can wear this along with my North Face stow, and that's great for like fall weather. Not like super cold winter weather like we're having right here today in Prague, but really good for like traveling in the fall time or at nights in the summer too. Next, I have just kind of bunched up is all my socks and underwear right here. I kind of just keep everything wrapped around all right here, and usually I do a wash once a week. I have enough for a week here, so I have to do laundry once a week, but that's usually not a problem. Next, I have my shirts. I don't bring a lot of shirts. This is a tank top I can use for lounging around the hostel, or if I want to get a workout in, then I have some activewear with me. Next, I have just another red t-shirt and a blue t-shirt, and I'm wearing my long sleeve shirt and I have my white shirt under this. So I have in total 5 different options of shirts that I can wear, different combinations. Next, I have pants. So I have the pants that I'm wearing, plus I have another pair of pants that are good for colder weather. And then I have these Adidas sweatpants, which are great for traveling on the plane or on the bus, kind of lounging, a little bit more comfortable, but they're not the best in super cold weather. And then finally, I have a pair of shorts. So these are good for also if I want to get a workout in, or like after I've showered and chilling at the hostel, just wear some shorts. And lastly, in this big pocket, I have a pair of sliders. So these are really nice for traveling in the summer. I can wear these to go to the beach, or if I don't want to wear shoes for whatever reason, I can just wear these. So next, I have this front pocket that I keep most of my small electronics in. The one thing that I have that I would highly recommend is a power bank. I can charge my phone from this thing about 7 times, and I can also charge my GoPro and my headphones. All the different things that I need that come from USB I can charge with this, and it also has a flashlight on it, so that's super nice. So everything that I have is pretty versatile, multiple uses. And then GoPro pole, right here is where I keep my GoPro. And I really like having a DSLR plus a GoPro because the GoPro is really nice. I can keep it in my pocket easier. If I don't want to bring my big DSLR out, I can just pull out the GoPro and get clips very quickly. So that's really nice having the convenience of a small camera with the GoPro. And then in this pocket I just have all my cords, my iPhone cords and my headphones. Nothing super interesting in there. So that's it for this pocket. This backpack has 3 main pockets, and then there's this pocket which is kind of meant for a laptop. I don't like to travel with my laptop. Just kind of ease my mind that I don't have a super expensive laptop with me. But I keep my my passport and my money in here. Also, when I'm on the bus and stuff, I just usually wear this around and put it in my put it right here, so I know if I'm sleeping, someone can't like accidentally walk off with my backpack and all my passport and money. So I keep it right here, and that is it. That is how I travel for a week or for a month. That's everything I need right here. I hope this is helpful.